Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a few things I picked up on Temu. Got yourself a battery charger here, 6 amps, 12 volts, $14.94. Where are you going to find that? Where else? Bumper clips, $1.87. Phone holder that goes into your vent on your car. I'll show you the site. I will show you photos of them on the site versus what I got. Exactly what I ordered. And this, $4.94. Where else are you gonna find it that cheap? Where? I don't know. And I picked up these bad boys. You know where these go, right? I got 2 of them, really good quality, and everything is good quality. $4.94. I'm gonna show you how they fit in my car. I will show you the phone holder. I will show you how that fits in my car, and I will hook this up to my Beetle, which is right here. I need a charger. Car sits a lot, so you need to charge it, you know, keep it on a constant, like a trickle charge. This thing will do the trick easily. I picked up this 6 amp 12 volt charger on Temu. I think it comes in red as well. I decided to pick up the yellow one. You got microprocessor controlled, automatic switch mode, LCD display, overheat, overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. And you got 2 amps per hour up to 100 amps per hour on your 12 volt battery on your car. Got a car sitting around, you use this. Hey guys, if you're new to Temu, I'll tell you right now, hit my link, you will get $100 in coupons. Straight up, the coupon bundle, $100. You click on my affiliate link, and you're going to see Temu finds. You're not going to know what to order first, I'm telling you. A lot of good stuff for car guys. If you want to use my code, it's TAX 56042. TAX 56042. Use that code, and you will get an extra 30% off. Free shipping, free returns. They got hundreds of items under $5. I've been buying so many different things. I'll show you photos of all the different stuff I bought, stuff I can use in my garage. I've saved hundreds of dollars on this stuff. It's all the same products I would get somewhere else, cheaper on Temu. I'm telling you, I went on Temu, looked at the price, went online, looked at other places. They can't beat Temu. Same exact stuff. I picked up my 5 essential items on Temu for Automotive, and it's unbelievable. You'll see, I'm going to put them on my vehicles. I'll show you how they're used. Hit that link. Why wait? I know a lot of people say, oh, it's a scam. Temu's a scam. It's not a scam. I know it's called Temu. I figured that out during the Super Bowl. It's not Temu, it's Temu. But that's what I keep saying, Temu. I'm so used to it. But listen, it's not a scam. It's real. Free shipping. Find out for yourself. Use my link. Hit that. Beautiful. Just that simple to install. Still have room for your seatbelt? No issues. Listen, I've had issues with this. This is a 2011 Camaro, and there's really nowhere to put anything. And this cell phone holder from Temu clipped right in, holds my phone. I even have the extra thick battery on this phone. It holds the extra thick phone. So here you go, from Temu, $4.94. I've been going crazy trying to find one that'll fit, and there it is. That simple. Fixed. That easy. Nice quality. Plug it in. Puts on your battery. The digital will tell you where you are. Cooling vents, little fan. It's made well. On-off button. Let's hook it up onto my Beetle and we'll see how it works. Okay, let's hook it up to my 1973 Baja Beetle. The battery dies on this a lot because I don't use it as much as I'd like to. So this is going to help me out tremendously. Okay, we got it hooked up. Plug it in. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. I'll take a closer picture of it, but it's charging 3.9 amps, 14.8 volts. On e-fast charging. It's got some other options on here. Right now I have it on my car. I can feel the little fan blowing. Works good. You guys gotta check this out. Leave it like that for now. Alright guys, I got it charging up on my my Beetle battery, and it's 4 modes. It's got car, AGM, which is a standard battery mode. It's got moto for a smaller motorcycle battery, which is really cool, and it's got repair mode, which is like a, I think it says here 16-hour repair, which it takes your battery and restores it back to full charge. So That's pretty cool. So we're testing it out. Like I said, it comes in these 2 different colors. If you like different colors, I got the yellow one. Gives you a lot of information in here on how it should work and what it does. There's no way you're going to find this locally for the price I paid. And if you get your 30% off using my code and you get $100 off in coupons, it's a win-win. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Temu,